नहीं Hi all, good morning and sorry for the delay. Somewhere my laptop got rebooted and it took some updates. So I don't know why it did it, but I think it got rebooted after a month, and that is where it went for some uh, updates directly. Okay, so share last week. Okay, so what we saw last week is still intact. We are between, the 759 18,000 range. Uh, Again, 37,800 and 38,200. So we saw yesterday's high was exactly this. So this needs to be broken. Okay, so 38,200 is still, the time where we are not able to close. And yesterday I posted as well that if we go above 38,200, then we will see 39,000 very soon. Okay, so we need that type of close, because then only the market are saying that it will still keep rising. So basically, what we are seeing in the market is another consolidation phase in the market, and what we need is a breakout on either side. And if you are following top bottom, you would have seen that even the range now in Bank Nifty is getting narrowed every single day. So we are keep getting a new top or a new bottom, right? So that is where Bank Nifty has now gone into. So we need to see what Bank Nifty now does. Okay, so we'll see on charts what it is signaling as well. IT sector had a good time down, and then we know the results are coming out, and now with the result that we see in TCS yesterday, yes, there will be again a bounce in it, but we need to see whether that bounce will survive or not, because daily had a doji yesterday, and we now need to see what it does there. FMCG, we saw Hindustan Unilever and all were down much. So it has been moving now into consolidation as well. Auto is moving up, and we had that thing because monthly Morning Star at 60. So this was the sign of auto getting into a higher path, and we had that thing that auto will do good in this month, because we had a monthly Morning Star at 60 support, and daily there was a hammer at 60 last week. And we also how Maruti went. Tata Motors, I think that was the best trade that anybody would have taken in equity if you had, because I always have said Tata Motors to be bought in equities. Mainly, I don't trade that huge size in futures. And pharma again, it is sideways if you go to see. Now, though we didn't took this trade because I was waiting for the RBI policy, but I know many of you did took, because I started getting message that what to do now of this. So the target was also hit. It was a 6 bar PRD, and this went through as well. Okay, so I know Saraf sir took it. There are other few guys who took it, and they had asked me now what should be the trading stop loss. Oh, sorry. You might got. Okay. Okay, so let's see what is the market saying now. Let me get. Okay, I'm on the equity side. Okay, because I know someone had IRCTC questions and I just answered that. Let's bring it here. Okay, So I think yesterday in Telegram group I did posted this. Okay, IRCTC. So if you look at IRCTC, it was a perfect cup breakout, 16 breakout, and then see it took support on the CIP, and then it started. So 2100 to almost where it is. I think yesterday's price is still not here. So let me get yesterday's price as well. Okay. I have to shut this down. Otherwise, this will not get updated. Class is started. Shut it down and have it restart. Hope the sound is clear because I've changed the headset now. Earlier it was a normal earphone, so everybody is able to hear it clearly. Because
Yes,
yeah,
yes, we are able
yeah,
to hear.
yeah, thanks, Rupak. So Rupak here, one more friend is joining, Akshay.
Yes, yes, I know him. Correct. Yes,
Yeah, yesterday he had a word with me. So
correct, correct. Yeah, that's good. I even had our first trade yesterday. So yeah.
actually, you entered yesterday. Good, good,
Yes,
good,
correct.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so even Sarang took it, or because I know he wanted to talk to me, but he never called up then. So I told him, let me know when we can talk, but then he said, okay, and he's still waiting. So just tell him that, don't keep any doubts in mind. Whatever you have, just discuss.
Sure, sure. I will. I will. Yeah.
Okay, one second. I'm just getting my data corrected because it seems there is some issues there in few of the data. Just seeing only futures data. I'm not seeing the data of equities, and I'm just seeing what is wrong here. Should be done. Because I think there is the data is of 7th as of now for equity. Futures I can see 8th, and even BSE I see 8th. So I think MSC equity is not been updated. So just according to it, I should be done. It takes some minute actually. Start it. Start. Just started. It's coming. Oh, it comes. Yesterday's close now is at 48.75 on IRCTC. So Nifty is at 17,900 now. In the median between 18,000 and 17,800. And there is on chart we can see there is a 3 bar there is divergence. It shows a doji, but that's fine. There is nothing wrong in between chart. Still okay. So monthly we are still okay with wherever the index is. Okay. Only weekly we need to see, and that mainly is because of this free trade that has happened. Okay, of 18,088 or something. So that needs to be corrected. If you correct that, then also I think we should be okay because it went down from here. Okay, now. So this is a bit dicey here. Any break point on this trend now, or in a way you can take this trend line now. Okay, so anything below 17 500 might pull the index back to this level. Okay, so this is what weekly chart is showing. So it might come down for 60 support on this. Daily, it can come to around 17,300. So here there is the support. So we have to see what the market does now in the coming week. So is there see this was a consolidation phase earlier. We had a lot of consolidation here. And then there was a breakout and the market moved up. Okay, and it followed this trend line. Now if the trend line breaks down after this consolidation here. So here also if you look at it, there is a consolidation happening. Okay, so how if this breaks down, okay, then we might see some movement in this level. Okay, so we have to see what the market now does here. There is still volumes building up. Okay, I don't see those volumes drying up, and I don't see volumes at the higher level. Okay, so if the volumes are not at higher level, the rally is still not done. So this can be just some breather and again moving up. Okay, so we have to see what this 3 bar bearish divergence now does in the market. Then these are 3 bar bearish divergence for sure on weekly, one of the most powerful. So we have
थोड़ा वॉल्यूम बढ़ाएंगे प्लीज.
volume. I think it is okay, right?
Yes.
Anybody else also having issue with the volume? Because I think the new headset and is everyone facing issue with the volume?
Yes,
Yes,
it's not clear.
थोड़ा सा लो है.
थोड़ा सा लो है.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा.
Might be this is not charged. एक मिनट ना, मैं दूसरा खाली headset यूज करता हूँ. So now is it okay? Are you able to hear this clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, so वो थोड़ा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वाला है, वो चार्ज नहीं हो रहा. That makes okay. No worries. So then, what we are seeing here is bearish divergence on weekly chart of Nifty. Okay, so now let's see what it has for us in the next week. So confirmation के लिए रुकना है, सीधा short मत कर दो, रुको. Okay, so that is where Nifty is saying. Now let's write down this so that we have this in black and white. 700 daily doji at it's at upper band resistance now. Okay. Above 60 here for sure. So PRD setup was there and that has done the trick for Nifty as well as Reliance in fact last week. And here we do have weekly 3 bar bearish divergence setup confirms below 17,500. Okay. Monthly is still neutral above previous high with no inbuilt bearishness. So here remains the same. Huh? This remains the same. Now 80,000. This remains still and 18,500. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now we have support at 17,700. So we remove 16,000 for now. Okay, so this is what Nifty is telling to us. Okay, let's see Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty also has got some bearish divergence setup here. If you look at it, the RSI 65 and 64. Okay, and we are at almost at the all-time high level, and we are having this. So weekly bearish divergence is here as well. 60 resistance on daily and gap resistance on daily. So this is still existing. Okay. So we are at a resistance here. Okay, we are at resistance here. We have a 4 bar or 3 bar, whatever you want to call it. This is 37,854 and 37,917. So we do have a bearish divergence setup here as well. Okay. So any breakpoint below this black candle low, which is 36,900, okay, might create some selling pressure onto Bank Nifty. So the first level of support is this 36,000, and the second level of support is 33,900. So this is what you can expect. Okay, maximum. Huh? ऐसा मत सोचो कि ये टारगेट है, but it is all but. Okay, you need the confirmation. Okay, the confirmation is breaking of the trend line. Okay, ये सब setups है, ये setups को confirmation का जरूरत है, तो ऐसा मत सोच लो कि अभी पूरा bearish ही हो गया करके market. Okay, so this is the confirmation signal. Okay, ये breakdown. ये जब तक break नहीं करता है with big black candle and volume, there is no trend reversal. Okay, so don't see this as a reversal and start shorting in market. Okay, because if you look at the monthly chart, it's all good. Okay, वो इसके ऊपर में निकल गया तो और ऊपर भागेगा. Okay, so do not think of that because we are still in a bull run with no bearishness on monthly. See, ये सब bearishness अगर आपको monthly पे दिखता है ना, तभी टेंशन लेने का कि ट्रेंड खत्म हो रहा है. Okay, see, this was monthly before Corona. This is monthly before Corona, and then this, sorry, this was the first target, and double of this was the second target, which was achieved. Okay, but ये सब चीज के लिए टाइम है, मंथली कुछ हुआ ही नहीं अब तक. ओके, ये बड़ा फॉल मंथली पे बताता है, तो जब तक ये लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे है, थोड़ा बहुत लोअर ये टाइप पास होगा एंड इट माइट पुल बैक. ओके, सो बी वेरी केयरफुल, follow the system, get the entry escrow system and make money. Okay, do not do anything else. Don't think, apart of system, otherwise it will be a bigger loss to you. Okay, so currently what we see here is 60 resistance, 3 bar divergence and everything. So let's write down that also. 917 around is the close. Daily, doji. Gap and 60 resistance. Okay. Bearish, star. Bearish, divergence, setup, confirms, look, 36,900. Okay. Monthly shows bullish at 60 support and no issues. Okay, monthly. Bearishness. This is very much there, so there can be retracement but not change in trend. Okay. Resistance will change. 37,800 नहीं है, उसको हटा दो 38, 200 तो है ही पक्का क्योंकि वो उधर से ही 2 बार घुमा है, 3 बार घुमा है. Okay, about this that can be 30. So this is the level from where we have seen some reversal. 36,900 is the final level for confirmation. So that is the last support. So let's see what it does. Okay, weekly है तो उसको 1-2 हफ्ता जा सकता है for confirmation. Okay, don't think that weekly है तो तुरंत ही हो जाएगा. Okay, so you have to see that spot might not be. So we'll see that also. Okay, yeah, so it is also many high and low and everything, but in futures we do see, so it's better that we should be little bit of cautious. But let's see now, we'll go to spot as well. Nifty Bank spot देख लेते हैं. Spot में daily में 60 resistance है और अच्छा इसमें नहीं है because the close is below. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Spot does not show it. Okay. So let's go to IT. So IT had a very great fall and then a bounce back, and now it is at 60 resistance. So whether it resists 60 or it goes up will depend on next week. There is an upper band, there is a gap, everything resistance is here now. This is not a gap, okay, but it is filled up. But here there is one resistance level, 37,200. अच्छा इसमें कुछ नहीं गड़बड़ है. So this is still okay. No bearishness on monthly. Weekly also no bearishness, and there is a bullish harami here on weekly at price support. And daily is just an alert bar. Okay, it's 61.58. अगर 62 होता था तो मैं थोड़ा एकदम खोल के बोल सकता था कि bullish है. ये 61, 62 के बीच में है, so it's still dicier. So we'll have to see what it does on Monday. So it's a daily chart, so Monday को पता चल जाएगा. Looking at TCS results, it will be a blast. So let's see. Because see, many a times the blast has already happened, and this might be a retracement now on Monday. So you have to be very careful. So IT is at 36,400. For the bounce, 36,400. Okay, towards 40 support, so it bounced from 40 now daily. Alert bar at upper band resistance. Okay. Bearish engulfing था उसके सामने. Now we have weekly bullish harami at price support. Okay, and monthly neutral candle. It's not yet about the previous high, right? So white candle, not even better white. So far, bullish candle. It's not 88, so it's a golden index for now because all time frames are about 60. Bank Nifty is not golden. This is golden. डायमंड से गोल्डन होने को टाइम नहीं लगता है इनको. So now let's go to FMCG. Okay, let's see reality as well. See, reality is also stopped here. So we need a breakout about this for reality to grow. Okay, but looking at the RSI, it seems there is going to be some retracement. See, the highest RSI over here is also around 77. Now at 77, we see a flattish. So there can be some stop here. Okay, so we'll have to see what it does. Unless it crosses 540, we are not able to see 553 or 555 any higher. We have to wait, and it's a huge cup. Okay, so it's a huge cup, so you'll have to see what finally it does there. So this is going to be critical mark, and if it breaks 490 levels, it might slip down as well. So we'll have to see. It's a doji right now. Weekly there is a band walk and no bearishness yet. I-80 on RSI, and yes, daily it is trying to come a bit down. See, now the question is, what do we see here? Can this be done? Okay, so if it takes support here and bounces back, okay, then you might see the same thing here, and it is around 600 is where you are expecting the index to go. So that's how reality sector will also grow, and there is a descending wedge here on RSI as well. If there is a breakout on RSI above 71, 72 on daily, then you might see this going more above the all-time high. Okay, so we have to see what reality does here now. Because this is the level. It needs to support on the downside. So it should not go. So same level is here, 495, which we saw on a high time frame also. So now this needs to be the consolidation and a breakout on the upside for it to rise. But if it falls back, there can be a retracement in even this sector. So be careful even with reality. I think we had one entry in IB real estate above 165, and we are not still getting that entry at all. Okay, and we can know the reason now why it is. Okay, but I think Shobha did well. Even Oberoi Realty did well. Let's see infra. Infra is still doing okay. This is also okay. This is also okay. The ACC did well. This has got some bearishness here. It is at support. There is a PRD here. So Nifty infra has got PRD. So we have to see whether it goes through or not. Okay, let's see. FMCG now. FMCG is coming back down. This is where the support lies, and that is where it is right now standing. Can be an intraday touch to 40 and then a bounce. So daily is at 40. Weekly it still needs some drop to 38%. So 39,500 के आसपास एक बार आएगा. So some fall still remaining as per Fibonacci as well. And here also shows some turning back. There is a shooting star here, and if the low breaks, we might see some retracement even in the sector. So some retracement signals are there now on the charts for this particular sector in short. Okay, so this is where we are on this 39,993. So it's come down by almost 400 points. The type came better than it. 3. Candle. Price support in RSI around 40. Bearish engulfing followed by shooting star. यहाँ पे तो bearish candle यहाँ है bearish candle weekly bearish candle just 38%. ब्रैकेट का डाल देता हूँ उसका लेवल 39,580. Okay, so this is what we are expecting it still to have correction in this particular sector. Okay, and monthly shooting star, that is last month. Okay, so we are still looking FMCG in a bearish way. Let's see, this is a Nifty PSU. I think that is PSE sector, right?
PSU Bank.
PSU Bank. I will not see them at all. These are stupidity. I will not see the sector at all. If you want to invest in bank, go for HDFC, ICICI, Axis. This is not see everything is at 60 resistance. So this is the the sad part of the banking sector. Okay, so whatever even the bad loan comes or bad bank comes, no one is going to help this much. So I would avoid this sector totally. I know many people are watching on it that government will privatize and all, but I would not touch this sector at all. I always stay away from PSU banks and PSU stocks. So I think someone had asked me for bail also once. I said bail coming in लगता है. So avoid all those sectors, penny stocks. There are good companies around, invest in them. So pharma has also got a breakdown here, Doji, and then again a breakdown. So 60 been resisted actually on daily. Shooting star at 60 resistance, so there can be some fall in even this. Now, see, one thing which I am seeing right now is giving me another signal for Nifty and Bank Nifty that they both will rise. Okay, mainly pharma and FMCG is a sector which is balancing the fall. Now, if they are going to fall, that means the others will rise. So if Lever falls, Dr. Reddy falls, Bank Nifty will rise, is what I'm seeing right now, because if that is how this is placed, see, you are seeing on sector level, shooting star at 60 resistance on weekly, daily also 60 resistance, and still monthly is just as a shooting star. So unless this breaks or this gets broken, there is no movement on the upside on pharma. So pharma is now gone into consolidation, or you can say reversal mode. So I'm much worried on this stocks than the others, because this will then not work. It has not moved also since last week. So what you see is daily alert bar has been missed. Okay. Now we have daily bearish candles. अरे बाप रे, इतना बोल्ड एंड ब्यूटीफुल हो गया तू तो बेटा, कहाँ से आया ये? Bearish candles at 60 and price resistance. Okay, so this is what we have. Weekly shooting star. At 60 resistance, huh, by the way. You resist here. Okay, and monthly is also shooting star. Shooting star in making because monthly just started. So it's not able to cross its all-time high. It's not able to do anything, and just having some bearishness now in the market. Okay, let's see the auto sector. So auto sector had a breakout after a long time. So it's CAP on a breakout. Let's see what it does now. Weekly also breakout. नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि इधर अटका पड़ा है. ये ब्रेक करेगा तो ऑल टाइम हाई को क्रॉस करेगा. ये भी 12,000 के ऊपर जाने को तैयार हो चुका है. Looks good, decent. See, a 64, 65, a 66. And here also there is no bearishness yet. Okay, and see, this was a morning star, and now it has gone above morning star as well. So it is around this level now. This is the final resistance. It has to cross 11,300. Then I'm sure you've seen Maruti also above 8,000 and Tata Motors around 450, 460 levels. So this is where you should be now aiming this sector. So we have a bullish sector, no doubt. Fundamentally, people will start looking into it as festive season and blah blah blah. But festive season है तो charts को भी पता है ना यार. So वो सब चीज पे मत भरोसा करो. इधर ये देखो, and this is more better. Okay, वो semiconductor and all, we now have another source of getting it, and all those stories will come. सेमीकंडक्टर पे भी ज्यादा भरोसा मत करो. इधर है जो है आपके सामने है. See, it's a good bounce back. So this sector is going to be bullish over this month. It's a gap up. So let's see now once it crosses this. 11,300 is the level for this particular sector. Above that, we might see this blooming or blossoming is what I was going to say. Okay, so 1180. So daily number at 60, and then it just went higher and higher. That upper band. Started 65 and monthly crossed high of morning star. Okay, so this looks good sector. And yes, this is now a golden sector after a long time. Next. Okay, so we have one golden, two golden, and maybe three golden, and yet three not golden. Okay, and let's see VIX, because VIX was one of the important factors for which I was a bit afraid, because see, it got into this, and then there was a So this is the fall of VIX. And now it is below 20 NA, so I don't mind. Below 15, if it stays, we will be back to a stable market. Okay, so this is one indication that the indices are still at strength. Okay, so this is what we are looking into, and this is what I love to see. Okay, because this is what says that it is not going to go up soon. It's a bearish range shift and confirmed and done and dusted. Okay, so let's hope that we don't see the volatility again bouncing back. Okay, if you look at weekly also, it resisted 60. Okay, and that's why I think Kaushik Bhai has posted that VIX is growing, be careful and that, and I have posted that there is divergence, and that is what it has worked. Because I was also afraid, I was also looking into VIX. If it would have crossed 20, it would have again resulted into 100 points, 1000 points gap up, gap down in case of Bank Nifty. So if that happens, that would be a nightmare again for us. So now let's see the stocks. In one stock which I had given, I'll just show you here. Okay, so Delta Corp is what we have bought right now. And the main reason to buy it is band walk. So I think around 250 only we have bought it. And it's above 60, it's looking good. Once it crosses this level, so I think my first target was 280, that has already been completed. And now if it goes above this, okay, if it closes above this, the target is quite good because this is the first target. Okay, so this can be the possible target. Right now, given 360, this is the target. Okay, so this looks really good. Okay, and some news are cooking around it also. So this particular stock, and look at the volume here. Okay, this is the much bigger volume than almost matching this volume here is here. That is the reason why it makes sense. So this is one of the stock. Yeah, results on Monday, right? But see, result में I don't expect anything because last 3 महीने से तो casinos were shut down. Okay, so there is not going to be anything. So whatever you will see in the results would be the next announcements which are coming up. And I think mainly there are few bigger announcement on around it is, they have got license for multiple casinos to be opened in Goa, and they're doing, I think 3 years plan is to make Las Vegas in Goa. So if that comes true, you can expect what money they are going to mint.
सर शेयर होल्डर को कोई डिस्काउंटेड एंट्री वगैरह देंगे ये लोग?
मेरे पास तो बहुत है लेकिन मेरे को नहीं दिया, मैं जाके आया हूँ. Last 4 days I was in Goa only.
ऐसा कुछ प्रोविजन कराओ ना सर.
ए सर, हम लोग तो उधर पैसा दे के आए हैं, कमा के भी नहीं है, वो भी ले लिया. अभी हमारा खून चढ़ा है तो अभी इसको भेजो जहाँ भेजना है. Okay, so this is one stock, and the other stock which I would love to show you all is this. I know बहुत लोगों ने इसमें पैसा डुबाया रहेगा, but this is now looking really good. So if it starts growing above from this level 110 onwards, it's already doing band walk. Okay, once it crosses 60 on monthly, this will immediately go to this level 275. Okay, my first target is around 150, then 250 is the second level. So this is also looking good, and we've been buying this at various levels. We had bought it earlier at 54. We got out at 101. Now there is a re-entry at 110, and now we'll have to see whether it goes beyond this. So 110 का entry इसके हिसाब से था, and my first target is 150 as I show you here, and then the second is 250, which is here. So this looks good, and if you look at it, there is volume building here as well. So that is the main thing. Okay. किसी ने कुछ तो सवाल पूछा. नो वॉइस, अच्छा अभी भी वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है क्या? आर यू नॉट एबल टू हियर मी? ओके, अच्छा ओके ओके। नहीं वो मैं कुछ बोला नहीं रहेगा तभी वॉइस नहीं रहेगा, बट आई थिंक नाउ इट शुड बी ओके। ओके सो लेट्स गो टू स्टॉक्स नाउ फटाफट से। अरे वो हेडफोन में क्लियर नहीं था ऐसा बोला मेरे को, उसके लिए मैंने उसको निकाल दिया और चार्जिंग में डाल दिया। आई थिंक इट माइट नॉट बी चार्ज आल्सो बिकॉज़ वी वर नॉट हियर फॉर अ वीक। Okay, so let's start with ACC. ACC I am in love because it is at range shift, bullish range shift, and there is also a bull sash here. So now my key is to buy about this. ये 2300 का है तो 2275 के ऊपर इसको बाय किया जा सकता है। ये एक रेजिस्टेंस है but we'll see that 2327 तक का टारगेट है इसका। एक मिनट क्या है? हाँ वीकली इट इज अ डोजी एट 20 एम। See, there is a support here at this level because this is a gap up, and simultaneously this is also a gap support. See this, तो 40 सपोर्ट भी है, इधर बड़ा गैप का सपोर्ट भी है। हाँ वॉल्यूम वाला गैप है ना ये वाला, ठीक है। then we can think of buying it. Okay, so 48 का प्राइस है। Okay, so ACC is okay. Let's go to Apollo Hospital because that was also looking good. It's outside, inside, and it's a perfect example of what we call as a diamond category strategy on RSI. So it's a bullish divergence with range shift. So your buy should be about this. Once it confirms, first target is this, second target is this. So I put that also here because it is still at 40 support. Four three nine. So this was already in my watch list, so I was waiting for both of them. दोनों में setup अच्छा है, we need a confirmation. So this trend line needs to break for our entry. Okay, now let's see Reliance अभी कोई entry देने वाला है कि नहीं, because Reliance had given an entry here. There was a PRD setup and it is already matched, but now there is something else. So now there can be a fall or a retracement even in this stock. If it falls below the trend line, which is 2620, we will have to wait and watch. Okay, so it will come down for here at support as well, because this was a free trade, then the high, and it crossed. So now if it breaks this, there can be some retracement to this level. Okay, so this is the second support. Okay, so Reliance, if falls below 2620, we will short it for around 60 points here. So wait and watch. Okay, so there is some bearishness on daily chart. And this does not show. So that's why I see that bearishness is only as per daily and not on weekly. On weekly, see what it is shown. Okay. CIP on breakout, and now you can get into this. ये अभी आपको जो भी है ना, ये आपको प्राइस पे you will get this as your reward actually. So this is what you will get, 2880. Okay, so this can be the first target. So if you're holding it in equity, keep holding it. Okay, you are seeing this as a target on Reliance now. I know yesterday someone posted also that I had said a year back 3000 is the price for this. Yes, because this was what the price is from the chart only, monthly chart only. I said 3000. So breakout here as well now. Even this is what, see, 1950 or 1960 you can say, because this is the low around here. So 1950 below, 1950 or 2370 or 2370. So it's around 400 points even in this case. So add 400 points to this, that becomes 2800. Okay. So here also the handle. So this is the cup here. Now the handle is come here, and the handle ka capacity is this 1850 se leke idhar, so around 500 points. So this is what you will get. Okay, in case of Reliance. So Reliance, there is no bearishness overall on weekly and monthly, and it is looking good on daily. There is some retracement signals. So we'll have to see if it retraces or not. अगर retracement रहेगा तो आपको entry मिल जाएगी वापस. तब तक रुको. Okay, let's go to Asian Paint. The Asian Paint also was in. This was a Morning Star, और वो Morning Star के ऊपर में buy था. Now जाने दो. Still looks good. 330 के ऊपर में. So Asian Paints look good. The only thing is 60, so 53 है ये. 53 से 60 में भी अपने को तो थोड़ा बहुत मिल ही जाएगा. I think you can still get this. Nifty will go up. Nifty को गिरना नहीं है. Nifty 18,200-300 दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. उसको तुम टेंशन मत लो. तो जाना ही चाहिए. Nifty के बिना जिंदगी कैसे चलेगी? But understand one thing, Nifty is no more only dependent on बाप रे, this month 40,000 है बाबा, इतना बुलिश नहीं मानेगा, स्टेप बाय स्टेप जानेगा. Keep small targets and keep booking profits at small targets. वो हिसाब से अगर किसी ने कॉल खरीद लिया तो मर जाएगा. 3330. Let's see Grasim फटाफट and LNT and then we'll move. नहीं, इसका कुछ short है इसमें. LNT will be short the correct resistance and gap resistance. So short is below this. The thing is यहाँ पे भी gap है, इसके लिए थोड़ा दोनों तरफ gap है इसका. Short clear short नहीं दिख रहा है, इसके लिए थोड़ा dicey है, but let's start with FMCG जहाँ पे short मिलना चाहिए. So now this is at 40. Okay, weekly is also below 60, but it is at price support. So the short can be below this. The target will be this. Also similar things if you look at it. देखो ये 38 के भी नीचे घुस चुका है, तो ये यहाँ तक आना चाहिए. See how well it broke 25%, and then see this week it took resistance at 25%. So it's following this quite well. There is a chance of a bigger dip on it. Okay, so let's have a trade on this. Below this we can go short. This is 50% of this candle, big candle, can be the support. Okay, so let's have that short trade on Hindustan Unilever. Okay, so 2638. So this one is a clear short, so you can go for it. So lever, sell below. It's going to go 2625. 2625. Target can be half of this. Okay, so 2560. Target is 2560. Stop loss would be 65. Okay, so yes, this sector is looking a little bit dicey. Let's see Britannia. ऐसा ग्रेन शिफ्ट के साथ खड़ा है. There is oh 4 bar bullish divergence as well. See 38, 39.86. Okay, so जाने दो इसको नहीं छेड़ना. Okay, I think someone said Jubilant Food. So Manoj ji had said that. So Jubilee Food. I think that is also not there in any trade levels. It is at resistance of price and nothing here. So I would avoid this. Okay. This does not sound any trade levels. And here also it is not there. So I would avoid this trade. Okay. Then let's see FMCG Dekha. 8 minutes. So we saw Nifty, we saw FMCG. Now let's see banking. अरे इडली वाला आ गया, भूख लग जाएगी, ऐसा मत सुनाओ मेरे को। So now this is also looking little bit of bearish because ठीक है, so यहाँ पे उसका 1603.60 है, तो 50 पैसे से बच गया, नहीं तो ये भी bearish divergence था। अब ये थोड़ा outside inside है, तो it is okay. We can have some fall in HDFC Bank. इसको ये टच करना बाकी है अभी, ये जो भी फ्री ट्रेड जिस में हुआ है ना, उन लोग ने वो फ्री ट्रेड को टच किया है बाय द वे। सो बैंक हैज टू टच दैट ट्रेड। सी रिलायंस हैड इट, रिलायंस टच्ड इट। ओके, सो आई थिंक मेनली एवरीवन विल ट्रेड। निफ्टी हैड इट, निफ्टी ने भी टच कर दिया है, अभी इसको बाकी है टच करना। तो अगर ये टच करेगा तो जो भी ये बोल रहा था मिस्टर एसटी, आई डोंट नो हु इज he is expecting 40,000, तो वो आ जाएगा। Okay, so this is possible if bank goes to this level. So HDFC Bank has got decent this thing, but still I am not able to get a single trade convincingly on bank right now. ये नीचे है और ये ठीक दिखा रहा है, दोनों मिक्स सिग्नल्स है। Let's see Axis. Axis में भी clear signal buy का नहीं, वो सिर्फ we are at gap resistance. So ये gap के ऊपर में जाना चाहिए, 790 के ऊपर close आना चाहिए. And this is also below 60 and at 60 resistance. So I would avoid this. सब बैंक अच्छा है भाई, फिर कोटक, अरे कोटक भी गिर चुका है, सब गिरे हुए लोग हैं। This is at 60 support and price support. There is a chance if Kotak improves, we might see something. Then what else? Bank में क्या बच्चा इंडस्ट्री तो देखने लायक नहीं रहता है। Let's see SBI है, उसमें भी shooting star है। See at the previous all-time high, it has got a shooting star. So this shows at 60 resistance on daily. So now this shows some retracement is on cards. Let's see what happens on Monday. This is the trend line. So SBI should not break 550, 450. Okay, so it doesn't look to be healthier on Bank Nifty because all the banks are not looking good. There is nothing, no bank apart of Kotak, which is just a probability of bullishness at 60 support, but no signal as of now that it is taking support. So that is where we are with Bank Nifty. Okay, let's go to IT now. Let's see TCS. So TCS has got a doji at its previous high. Now TCS free trade shows this. तो ये तो नहीं गया, लेकिन अभी after the results, the reaction might have a pullback on it and we might break this. So any close about 39.90, okay, can take it higher. But I would suggest be careful because this is not looking good. Okay, this setup is like resistance of upper band and price. So we need a breakout above this. वो है तो जाओ। दूसरा, ये वॉल्यूम भी कल का दिखा रहा है कि देयर इज सम रेजिस्टेंस विद वॉल्यूम। ओके, सो वी नीड अ ब्रेकआउट विद वॉल्यूम ऑन दिस। लेट्स सी वीकली क्या बोलता है। आहा, वीकली आल्सो हैज गॉट बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस। सी, पूरा सीरीज ऑफ बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस है। I would be still waiting to short below this rather than buying above this. So let's see what happens on Monday. बाकी मार्केट तो पागल है, कुछ भी कर सकता है। अच्छा रिजल्ट पे भी शॉर्ट हो सकता है क्योंकि अब तक खाली ये रिजल्ट के एक्सपेक्टेशन में भाग रहा था। Now the profit booking will come. Infi also at 60 resistance and gap resistance. Look here, very clearly choose gap resistance. This is at 60 support and a bounce, but we'll have to see कितना. But this is at resistance. अगर gap up हुआ तो और मैं तो पता नहीं, but I am looking at it as closing basis Monday पे ये क्या करेगा, उसके बाद we can take a call. So I would avoid this sector from now. ठीक लग रहा है, नहीं भी लग रहा है। एक मिनट, 64.79 I got it. There is a bearish divergence even here. So there is bearishness inbuilt now in the charts. So guys, be careful. एक खाली रिलायंस में कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, उसको छोड़ के सब जगह पे दिख रहा है। So monthly, this is still looking good. So there can be a retracement in the market. Okay, so I don't expect a huge fall or bond yield. फिर चाइना वाइना वो मैंने पहले भी बताया था और उसके बाद भी नया हाई मारा है हम लोग ने। Okay, so again I am reiterating the same thing. Please follow the system. Do not, go behind news. में अगर कुछ सच्ची में रियलिटी है तो चार्ट्स पे दिखेगा, तब तक मत जाओ किधर भी। Okay, so there is some retracement expected and see market has gone one-sided. तो थोड़ा तो retrace होगा ना, उसको भी see this is where it retraced last. अभी ये retracement पे we are at exactly 25% and trying to go back up. So we might come back here or maybe at 38%. ये fall को देख के ना पब्लिक को लगता है गिर गया आगे मार्केट, ऐसा नहीं होता है। वो एक तरफा ऊपर नहीं जाने वाला है। So even sector like IT which is going up will have some break and some retracement. Okay, so that is fine because that is needed. People need to book profits at time, otherwise this is only in air and nothing there. So even this sector, I don't think so we are going to get any clear.
तो सीमेंस देखेंगे क्या?
Siemens क्या है? वो भी सेक्टर है। See, this is also on daily 60 resistance, price resistance and 60 resistance.
Right.
This is also a short trade actually. Let's have it. Gap resistance है। So यहाँ पे gap resistance है, and it can come down to this level. Monthly क्या है इसका? पापा monthly जाने दो, monthly PRD है। जाने दो, I will not short it. इसको रहने दो, side पे रहने दो। See, monthly it has got a 3-bar PRD setup यार, 68 and 70. नहीं, 68.13 and 68.99. There is a 3-bar PRD and that is getting confirmed. जाने दो, इसको छेड़ना नहीं। शायद एक बार 1-2 दिन के लिए नीचे थोड़ा बहुत आएगा भी ना, तो भी मेरे ख्याल से बाउंस बैक करेगा। सी मंथली PRD है ये, 3-bar मंथली PRD, 1-bar here and 1-bar here. छोड़ दो, I will not touch it. Yeah, we'll check. निरंजन, अलग निरंजन, हम तुमको कैसे छोड़ेंगे? अरे उस दिन तुम्हारा फोन नहीं उठाया, तुमने सीधा परेश को फोन करके कंप्लेन कर दिया मेरा यार, कमल सर फोन उठाते हैं। मैं तो उठा रहा था, आपको कर रहा था, तभी आप परेश के साथ बात कर रहे थे। तभी एक्चुअली मैं घर पे था एक्चुअली, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैड बीन इन, आई वाज नॉट स्लीपिंग, आई वाज एक्चुअली हैविंग माय लंच और मैं कुछ और कर रहा था साथ में, इसके लिए। तुमने अलग निरंजन जैसा काम किया ना, टीसीएस क्या किया क्या? फाइनली यू बुक्ड प्रॉफिट यस्टरडे और यू आर स्टिल होल्डिंग? वो नहीं बताएगा, मैं नहीं मांगूंगा प्रॉफिट। अच्छा 2 लॉट बेचा, ठीक है, सो यू बुक गुड प्रॉफिट, चलेगा ना। लेट्स गो टू निफ्टी ऑटो, आई थिंक ये अपने को एक दो ट्रेड देना चाहिए। अच्छा ये 4400 के आसपास में, आई थिंक इट शुड बी अ गुड बाय, बट सी दिस अगेन इज एन एम सेटअप, ओके। See, this is outside, this is inside, this is up, and this is down. And this is a perfect M setup. This is the trend line. So this can be the target, 7200. So इधर प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अच्छा इधर ये उसको रेजिस्टेंस है 7600 का। See, this is the resistance line here. Okay, this resistance, this resistance, this resistance. There is too much of resistance over here, and there only we have a bearish counter attack which confirms this. So we have to see what it is to be done. सेक्टर बुलिश लग रहा है और यहाँ पे ये बेरिश दिखा रहा है। This resisted 60 also on weekly, so जब ये हाई मारा रहेगा ना, तभी इसको 60 को रेजिस्ट भी किया रहेगा उसने। ना चाहते हुए भी ये देना पड़ेगा। अच्छा, people who are in top bottom and using Maruti, please be careful. If you are using the same account, this will close your trade on top bottom. So be very careful when you are putting the trade. ठीक है, अगर बंद करना है तो उसी ट्रेड को आप शॉर्ट कर दो, चलेगा तो भी। इधर गिरेगा तो टॉप बॉटम भी प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेना अच्छा है। So, 7375 पड़ी गया हो गया 7375। लेट्स सी हमारा बजाज, भाई तुम्हारा सेक्टर ऊपर जा रहा है, तुम बढ़ ही नहीं रहे हो, कब बड़े हो? नहीं होगा ना, बोल रहा 60 रेजिस्ट कर रहा है ये तो। सी सेक्टर कुछ भी बताया है, ये लोग तो ना ही बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन एक फैंटास्टिक चीज हो रही है यहाँ पे, देखने को। It is not there. और ये कंसिडर करो तो यहाँ तक आएगा। Nothing else, nothing else, nothing else. उस बजाज में एक्चुअली अगर आप देखोगे ना तो आपको अपना 7 स्टार मिलता है, मतलब डायमंड कैटेगरी मिलता है, ये देखो। आई थॉट ये मिलेगा इधर, इधर नहीं मिला। बजाज इज नोन फॉर ट्रेंड लाइंस सपोर्ट, तो आराम से दे देता है। तो बजाज में भी No trade. Let's see, Hero Moto. थोड़ा sideways है. MRF कल अच्छा बढ़ा था. अरे भाई तो बड़ी भाई. भाई एक दिन में तो इतना बढ़ेगा तो हम कैसे ट्रेड करेंगे तेरे को? तू ही बता 5,000 पॉइंट कोई मूवमेंट होता है एक दिन का? See the volume with which it has gone up. I think it was a buy about this crossing of 60. अब छोड़ दो इसको. See यहाँ पे 60 रेजिस्टेंस पे भी है. So monthly also it is still taking care of this. See monthly it has not given a close below 78,000. तो अपना उसने कप को बरकरार रखा है. तोड़ने नहीं दिया इसने कप को. It is still looking good on monthly basis. So दूसरा ऑटो सेक्टर में क्या आता है? टाटा मोटर्स आई जस्ट टेल यू व्हाट टू डू. बाकी बाप ये क्या कर दिया है? सब बंद होते तो शूटिंग स्टार भी बना दिया. Okay, shooting star है but it is about 370 371 becomes your stop loss. This is still fine. There is nothing wrong here. There is a breakout. Resistance है, ये resistance था. So 400 it should cross for a higher thing. So exactly at that level you have resistance here. और उसके ऊपर 450 है. This is my target actually. And eventually it will reach 600. मंथली कुछ खराब दिख रहा है? नहीं दिख रहा है. चलो ठीक है. जय माधवी. Monthly is fine. Okay, so it might come to this. So let's see. I think there is some retracement plan a shooting star के बाद. So let's see what it does. Okay, so even we don't have anything on that. Let's see pharma now. M&M. हार्दिक सवाला. ये कौन है भाई? में भी वही है. See, it has got a bearish counter attack here. So buy above this.
तुमने मच्छी खाया था सारा सबा उधर? हाँ? क्यों? नहीं बनी क्या उधर?
See, there is a gap here and it resisted the gap. Okay, so unless the gap is closed, I will not do any buying on this. So buying is only about 900. Got it? ये ठीक है. मंथली वीकली ठीक है. बट डेली पे 900 के ऊपर ही बाइंग होगा. So now let's go to my dear DRR. उसको हम कैसे ट्रेड करेंगे? पहले लूपिंग देख लेते. बेचारा बहुत रो रहा है. कहाँ हुआ बच्चा? See the gap here also. Gap resisted. See, power of gap is really powerful. You cannot ignore it. ये मेरे ख्याल से और एक रेंज शिफ्ट के लिए जा रहा है. बट जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा? सी अभी इसको ये कब तक लाने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगेगा. ये कब का हैंडल बन रहा है अभी. सो नाउ वील हैव टू वेट फॉर इट. ओके, बाइंग ऑन दिस I would only recommend about this level. Do not buy Lupin about this, below this. Okay, or maybe if once it crosses 40, at 40 support, which is about 1,000, buy it for the first target of this and second target of this. But right now there is no buy. इसको 1000 के ऊपर, मतलब this is equity buying up. I'm not telling you to buy it in futures. इसमें भी कुछ है नहीं. Cipla was a good fall. Okay, so Cipla is a good fall and it's a very good example of bearish divergence. See this. Either or either bearish divergence or either or either. And then see this fall comes. डेली पे क्या था, डेली पे 3 बार था, ये देखो इसके लिए ना 3 बार is really powerful. See, this is a 3 bar bearish divergence. Still I don't see there is any recovery, and as per me more fall is there. Okay, so Cipla can be shorted below this. See what it did was it broke the support with this big black. Now with this doji here, it did a first CIP on this support. So now if it breaks the low, which is 913, yeah, 913, you might expect 900 as the first seed again. There is a gap here. See this. This is the gap up. जिधर उसने सपोर्ट लिया था उसको. ओके, सो यहाँ तक का आपको वापस एक बार चांस है. And if this is broken, then you might see some further fall. Maybe 874. So I would just stay away because pharma पता नहीं मेरे अभी पल्ले नहीं पड़ रहा है. मेरे को pharma में मन नहीं करे कुछ भी. DRR ने ऐसा झटका दिया था ना एक दिन में. I was holding it in equity. तो थोड़ा झटका लगा है उसमें. No doubt it was my buying is 3800. But still that 5600 देख के एक ही दिन में 45 देखा था एक हफ्ते के अंदर. So this does not make sense. DRR, let's see. अच्छा. DRR is also resisting C20 MA here on weekly. Okay, so there can be a short trade on DRR with this only as your stop loss. So short below this. This is your stop loss. You can expect this. है 100 पॉइंट फिर भी है 40 So DRR we do have a trade. They have 4870. 4870. Sell below. Sure होने के लिए 4835 कर देंगे. 4835 rupees. 4734. 4734. So 60 points risk for almost 100 points gain. Okay, let's see. So this is going to be. So we are mainly looking into sell. So we have got 3 buys and 3 sell. And actually, देखना चाहिए यहाँ तो ACCs on both the sides actually. So we do have, and this we are expecting that it will turn around from 40. So if it does, then we get something in Apollo Hospital. Okay, apart of that, we are not seeing any buy, with the conviction. So which shows that market might have a dip. Okay, so that's it. I think. Anything else? Anyone has any stock in mind or anything?
So I think DVs में भी short लग रहा है.
DVs में छोड़ दिए. Actually वो सराफ सर का stock है. But see, this is at 50% of the long candle. And last candle is looking as a doji. तो इसका high cross करेगा तो buy भी हो सकता है. It can be a buy for a target of a new high, and then it might fall. But अगर ये break करता है तो यहाँ तक आ सकता है 4900 तक. Yes, so both sides possible. but we see इसका weekly powerful है, 60 support है, बाकी सब तो उससे भी गायब हो रहा है. So DV's inner, there is no bearishness here also, and here also it is at price support actually. See, so DV's is looking good for a buy then short. See this.
Yeah, both the trades possible.
Support 50% and more of this, it is bounced back. Okay, and it was had evening star and a short for a while, but now let's see. But on RSI, yes, it resisted 60. It can come back till 60, or it will fall down. So we'll have to see on both ways, because 20 MA support liya either and 60 support on weekly. So we'll have to see on both the sides. So जहाँ पे both sides है ना, उधर थोड़ा avoid करते हैं, confusion नहीं चाहिए, एक सीधा साधा trade मिलता है वो देखते हैं.
Okay.
Okay, so this will be the trades for us. Okay, mother son Sumi, अरे बाप रे, ये mother और son को लेके आ गया. ये सब मत देखो, lot size भी बड़ा है, मर जाओगे किसी में. See, it is a shooting star at price resistance and might fall back. यहाँ पे भी 60 resistance on weekly. So I don't feel anything on this. Somewhere, from the new bullish trend, I am turning into somewhat cautious and retracement. Okay, so that is what my views are now changing. You might have heard since a year or more than a year, I was always saying bullish. Okay, but now looking at the charts and the key stocks, there can be some retracement in the market. So let's see what happens. Okay, so thank you everyone and see you again in the next week.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Stop share. And